Hello and welcome to this introductory video to the Global Employability blog. So firstly, I'll explain to you, the alumni and students of Sheffield Hallam University, what we require from you, because you are the most important part of this research. So we are very grateful for your involvement. Okay, so firstly we'll look at our aims of this project. So our aim of the project is to take your experiences and stories about your work in multicultural and international environments and understand how you successful alumni and past and students who have had previous experience cope with working in these environments, so we can possibly tailor it to future students. So once this project is underway and completed, we can develop a facility online which can educate future students from our courses and help them develop an understanding of how to successfully work abroad, away from the UK, or in a multicultural working environment. So we will also develop these courses to a professional standard from your feedback of what the global employers are looking for, and maybe then we can develop our students in the future to become kind of the same standard as you, successful professionals working abroad. So that's our aims really, and then we will now go on to look at what we need from you. Okay, so firstly, the most important thing is to log on to LinkedIn and join our LinkedIn group, which is called Global Employability Portal. So if you search for that on LinkedIn, then you can join us and someone will add you to our group. But that's the most important aspect right now, to develop a big network of alumni and students with past experiences of working abroad. So by developing a network, then we know who's involved. Okay, so secondly, we'd like to ask you to send us some of your pictures from your work environment. This can be anything you like, but we would need the permission of your employer if that's possible. So we need these to make our blog look interesting and exciting for new students and alumni to look at and possibly get involved with. So thirdly, we'd like you to get involved with some discussions. I'll be putting up some news and other articles regarding international employability. So from here we can have some interesting discussions on these articles, or maybe we can talk about your experiences in more depth, so thus learning more about what you need, what skills you need to have when you're working abroad or in these multicultural environments. Fourthly, this is the most possibly interesting part for us all. We'd like you to develop a video, maybe 2 or 4 minutes, regarding your experiences of working abroad, about yourself, your jobs, your courses you've been on, and just tell us what you found about working in a multicultural environment or abroad, so we can take these ideas down and analyze them, and then hopefully develop the facility to better teach students in the future about working abroad in these environments. So that would be really beneficial to us if you could do this. Finally, if we could also ask you if you would be able to ask any of your former classmates, or if you're at university at the moment, your current classmates who have previous working experience, if they could also join our LinkedIn network and help us out by completing the following or the above methods I've just talked about. So with your help, we can also develop a really strong network for our portal. So with your help, we can make this project even more successful. So I think that's all I have to talk about for now, but I'm really looking forward to talk to you in the future or discuss your work experiences, anything like that. Well, Thank you so much for your time.